Hello, so we are in Doyang River now. We came here to spend some quality time with the nature. So we have come across this riverside resort, Doyang Resort, and it's a beautiful place. I think we all need this kind of like nature interaction, with ourselves. Keeping aside all the work schedule, hectic time that we have to go through in our day-to-day life, I think we really need this, each one of us. It's so amazing. We feel so refreshed. We are also happy, after reaching there. We forgot all the workload that we have to go through. It's so amazing. Now I thought of like plucking some wildflowers. See, you can see that, and I wanted to make a hair like a crown or something like that with the flowers. I really love making that. I really want to play around with flowers wherever I go. So see, I saw these beautiful little tiny flowers out here, and I did make something. You will see now. Yeah, look at that. And I thought of making some reels with what I have made, but it's so beautiful. Actually, I was so happy that day, the weather, the people around me, and also I'm so thankful to God. Oh my goodness.